Welcome back to S10 Life YouTube channel. I'm Elizabeth and this is my 98 Oldsmobile Bravada. And we're going to do a how-to video today on it. When I went to go pick these up today, I didn't realize that the back tires are actually bigger than the front tires. And on four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles, you can't run two different size tires on them. So we're going to take out the front drive shaft so it doesn't create any issues. So step one, we're going to have to take these 4 bolts out right here. And when you're loosening these bolts, you need to have somebody up there holding the brake for you, because if not, it's just going to be turning this. Because your wheels, and it's going to make your wheel turn. So if you have somebody holding the brake for you, it's going to remove all that problem for you. Okay, so our next step here was we're going to take the drive shaft and we're going to pull it back. Okay, our next step is to pull this drive shaft all the way up without putting it back into the position it was in. To do that. Okay, so it's not moving forward. So our next step is we're going to take a wooden hammer handle.
You can just say
piece of wood, whatever you got to use, and hit it with the hammer. Yep, it's out there. I'm running on my hair.
Go back the way you came. That's always rule number 1.
I have. You're going to have to help me.
I'm going to tilt you this way.
It's wrapped around the wheel.
Turn that light toward me.
This has to be.
Is it filming?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to roll backwards.
Normally I would have just ripped it out there, but my hair is in such health right now. I can't do that.
We're almost there. Wow, you got several inches of it in there.
I know. That's why I couldn't just rip it out there.
There, you got it. You want a piece of wood or something? And then you'll lower down like 2 or 3 inches.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Ouch. And there you have it.
Done it, babe. So now the solution is solved and you get better gas mileage. How about that? That's a win-win.
It is a win-win.
But we're not all drive anymore, but